Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an ultimate clean with me. My house was a complete mess because I had a treadmill delivered from my gym, so that had been sitting in my living room and the whole place was just a mess. At the end of the video, it will cut off abruptly even though I'm not done cleaning because my camera died and I needed to get back to work. And so I'm sorry for that, but I hope you guys get a lot of motivation from this video. If you haven't, subscribe. And like I do normally with my videos, I'm gonna go ahead and read a quote. This quote is from Robin Sharma, and it says, "Just maybe, the real job of a human is to make others feel bigger in our presence, to give them the listening that makes them feel safer, to see the gifts in them that they've never seen, to treat them with kindness, politeness, and respect that they've always longed to know. Do this, and you steadily build a brighter world, and raise your own joy and greatness in the process." I personally feel like even just any time on social media, I feel like a lot of influencers will block people and be really rude to their followers. So I wanted this to be a positive place where you guys can say whatever is on your mind, as long as it's to a certain point. Hate is hate, but there's definitely a difference between hate and constructive criticism. So that's what I want my little corner to be, and I hope you guys enjoy this little bit of cleaning motivation. Bye!
With my head, just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is for my time. Oh, my time. Oh, don't try.
So earlier this week, actually just yesterday, I spilt a whole thing of, like, from the carpet cleaner, like the water that you, that's the dirty water. I spilt it all over the floor when I was trying to empty it into the toilet, so I am just scrubbing down the tile here with a little bit of Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile, and then I will just go back behind it with a towel to clean it all up.
Don't go wasting my time. I want nothing to do with you. Don't go wasting my time. I want nothing to do with you. Love, love, I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-respect.
So my vanity had gotten out of control recently, as you guys can see, so I'm taking this moment to really put everything away and put it back into its place in my vanity and wipe down the surface, which you guys will see is very dirty, but everything came up. The only thing I had trouble with was waterproof mascara. I did have to get a little bit of eye makeup remover for that, but other than that, the Branch Basics really took care of all the staining, etc. is my cluttered mess of a desk. I really needed to clean this up and tidy it and put everything back where it needed to go. So I took the time to do that in this video. I am an author, so I'm always at my desk. I also, you guys will see at the end of the video, there's some papers at my feet. I didn't know you guys could see that, so I didn't film it just because I didn't know you could see it. And also because it's behind my desk and it's so close to the wall, it's really hard to get a camera in that and make it like aesthetic, I guess. So I do clean that up, just not in the video.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down low.
As you can see, my living room was a complete disaster. Again, I had a treadmill in the middle of it. This is actually the box from it, so I'm just breaking that down with an X-Acto knife and trying to get it into smaller pieces that will fit in my trash can. But my dog, Alice, just is so cute in this little section. She wants to play ball, she wants cuddles. She's so cute, and watching this back, it's like I just want to go and give her a hug. So if you give this video a like, in my next video, I'll give her a treat for every like that this video gets.
Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down low, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium,
Fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, all my time, oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is all my time. All my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you